Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change function keys settings on LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. To change function keys settings, we're gonna have to first enter the BIOS on this laptop. In order to do this, you're gonna have to shut down your computer, then turn it on, and while it's launching, repeatedly click F2 key until you see the dashboard of the BIOS setup menu in front of you. Then here we're gonna have to select configuration on the sidebar, and after that scroll down until you reach the hotkey mode. So here by changing the hotkey mode option, you'll be able to use hotkey functions by pressing the function key by itself, so you can use each of the secondary functions of your function keys, like changing the brightness, entering airplane mode, entering settings, by single pressing the button. And if you disable this feature, you're gonna have to press the FN button along with each F function key in order to use the additional or secondary function. So to change the value next to this option, just expand this list and select either enabled or disabled. Now below we also have the foolproof fan control, and when it's enabled, your laptop will treat FN as control button. So FN button as control button when it's combined with a non-function key. So basically it will allow you to use FN button instead of control button for shortcuts like Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, etc. And these are the two features that we can change. To apply changes, press F10 and then enter to exit. To discard them, press escape and then enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.